UPS.com. Came in the mail a while ago. So I'm going to unbox it. And this is my DC Classics All-Star Wave, or I guess that's the official title to that wave. So enough of me talking, let's open this. I'm going to open this like I did my Kid Flash video. What you do is, oh, it says Fragile. Must be the kind. So let me find the sweet spot in the box, and we'll open her up. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, that is. Awesomeness. Bubble wrap. So we have Superman. That's very nice. Knock it out. Then we have Batman. Not too bad. And then we have Red Robin. Can we see him? More light. There we go. Red Robin. Yum. And this is my second Red Robin figure. Yep. Not same size. Maybe something different. And last but not least, not my one I was looking for, but I'll take them anyway. Superboy Prime. Woohoo! So I'll probably review him here shortly throughout the week. We'll do Superman first. He actually looks better in person since he's here. Let me move this box out of the way. So I'll probably review Superman first. Then Red Robin. Yum. Then Superboy Prime. Then Batman. He looks pretty cool. You know, once these are in person, they look a little bit better than what we were seeing on the internet. Shiny paint, nice. So that's my haul for today. And thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.